Cellulose fibre insulation is insulation made from recycled newspapers. The insulation is used in attics, timber frame walls and sloping ceilings. It can also be used as sound insulation between party walls, party floors. It's a low-tech product. There's very little embodied energy in the manufacturing of cellulose. It's treated with simple chemicals as a fire retardant. There's two different applications of cellulose. One is open blow, which is 35 to 40 kilos per cubic meter. And this is an attic situation where you're standing up above and you blow to a certain height. Then there is injection, which would be a timber frame wall or a sloping ceiling. And this is a closed box. So the only way we can fill that is to inject it. And we have to inject it at 60 to 65 kilos per cubic meter to make sure that there's no slumping later on. The main ingredient for the fire retardants is borax, magnesium hydroxide. Now, borax you would find in eye drops, magnesium hydroxide you'd find in milk magnesia, and then gypsum is the other product which is all over. Every house has gypsum in it. Will achieve a U value of 0.126. 300 ml of rolled out fiberglass will achieve a U value of 0.15. 300 ml of blown fiberglass will achieve a U value of 0.16. So obviously cellulose performs much better. Another thing about cellulose is it's hygroscopic. So it can absorb moisture and release moisture. So in the winter it'll absorb moisture, in the summer in the heat it can lose that moisture. This is because of the natural fibers. Man-made mineral fibers don't have natural fibers in them, so therefore they're completely inert. They can't deal with moisture. Fiberglass has a lifespan of 20 years, whereas cellulose has a lifespan of the building. 300 ml in the walls, 400 in the ceilings. That's achieving passive, and it would probably be the cheapest way to achieve a passive house. It's perfect for retrofitting because normally when you go into a house, what's there is the old fiberglass, which would be just up to the level of the top of the ceiling joists. We would go in and put 300 ml on top of that, and that makes a huge difference to the house. Studies have shown in Canada and America that a timber frame insulated with fiberglass is actually 20% more dangerous than a non-insulated structure. If you put cellulose into the timber frame, it now becomes 25 to 50% safer than a non-insulated structure. There's no mold associated with cellulose. You're creating a better atmosphere, a more healthy atmosphere in the house. It works better than the man-made fibers that are being used presently. Probably costs less in euro cost, definitely costs less in carbon cost. I can't think of a more sustainable, low-tech, simple solution to energy saving than cellulose.